Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 30, 2023, 4th hour Sudoku. 6th grade, 6th row, column H. We have 1, 2, 9, 8, 4, 6, 3, 5. Then in this cell, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 7th row, pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, and 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, and 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 8. Column I also we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column A, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 7. That also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row, we have 1. Column H also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column J also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Second also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, column D and column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 4 and 6 and 3. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will be one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, you already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then fourth grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then seventh grade, 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4 to 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, column D, and second row, we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come in these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.